Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to do a quick video on how to withdraw your mining profits from Kryptex here over to Coinbase, so then you can either choose to keep your profits or you can just take out the cash. So let's get straight into it. So first of all, you want to head straight over to Kryptex. Now, when you're on Kryptex, it should look something like this. You can see your earning history over time and your total available balance in Bitcoin. So to actually withdraw the money, all you need to do is come over to request payment. Now, you can choose to have your money withdrawn as various different methods. So you can have it as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or various different methods depending on your currency. So in this video we're going to talk about withdrawing in Bitcoin. So to do that you need to have a Bitcoin address, as you can see here. So if we're withdrawing to Coinbase, we can just go straight over to Coinbase and you should see your portfolio balance and just names of cryptos. So we want to withdraw into Bitcoin because we're doing a Bitcoin withdrawal. So to get our Bitcoin wallet address, all we do is click on Bitcoin, and then over here at the top we click on wallet. We then go to the side and we want to receive Bitcoin. You can then see your Bitcoin address, and I wouldn't recommend trying to just type this in as it is, because you might make a mistake, and if one letter is wrong then you're not gonna get your money. So you can just hit this button here, and that will copy your address to your clipboard. You can then go straight back over to Coinbase, Kryptex, and paste in your your Bitcoin address. So you can see at the minute I've got 0.0012 nearly Bitcoin, but we will have to pay a fee here of $2.37. So you might not want to withdraw your crypto all the time just to avoid paying fees over and over again. One quick thing to note as well is with Coinbase, they do occasionally change your wallet address. So you can see my last payout here was also to my my Coinbase wallet, but for some reason they changed the address. I don't know why they do this, so it's always best to just double check each time you go to request a payment. So we can then go on to request payment, and then it will send you a confirmation email. All you need to do then is just click on accept and just confirm you've actually requested the payment in your email, and that'll be sent to your Coinbase account. So yeah, that's it for this one, guys. If you've got any questions, don't feel free to leave them in the comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Cheers, guys.